How much should you actually spend on a fish tank? People are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting, right? Let's dig into the best fish tanks for beginners and find out which ones are truly worth your money.
Product number 1, Otombre Aquascape Tools Kit. The Otombre Aquascape Tools Kit caught my eye right away, priced at just $7.99. This is a compact set of 4 essential tools designed for anyone looking to maintain and tidy up their aquarium easily. If you want to keep your fish tank clean and your aquatic plants thriving, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit includes a 10-inch aquarium scissors, a long tweezers for planting, curved tongs for feeding, and a substrate spatula, all made from rust-proof stainless steel. Those sturdy materials mean you won't have to worry about them breaking down over time. Plus, the length of these tools means you can easily reach into a deep tank without making a mess. This is especially important for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by messy maintenance. With over 4,000 units sold in the past month alone, it's clear that many are finding it useful for their aquascaping needs. Now, some people complained about the size of the tools being a bit awkward for smaller tanks. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard-sized aquarium, these tools should work just fine without any issues. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to keep your tank neat without hassle. Skip this one if you have a very small tank, as the tools might be a bit clunky. For $7.99, it's a solid value for your aquarium maintenance needs. Now, if that last product's focus on tools didn't quite fit your needs, the next one I've got might be just what you're looking for in a starter tank.
Product number 2, Vahipa 2.4-gallon fish tank, priced at $56.99. What really caught my attention is its built-in smart humidifier and temperature display. If you want a stylish, functional aquarium that adds a touch of elegance to your space, this is definitely worth a serious look. This fish tank comes with a 3-in-1 pump that's all about efficiency. It filters, oxygenates, and circulates the water all in one system. Keeping your fish healthy and happy is important, and this feature ensures that your fish environment is clean and well oxygenated. The tank also has adjustable 7-color lighting to create a calming atmosphere. With the noise level below 30 decibels, you won't even notice it's there while you enjoy the view. It's a great buy with over 1,000 units sold recently, showing it's a popular choice among beginners. However, some users mentioned that the humidifier can be tricky to set up initially, but honestly, once you get it going, the benefits really shine through, especially for maintaining the right humidity and ambiance. This is perfect for you if you want a modern design with advanced features that enhance your fish keeping experience. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional tank setup. For just under $57, it offers a lot of value for the tech-savvy beginner. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more classic aquarium experience. Product number 3, Tetra 3-gallon small fish tank. We have the Tetra 3-gallon small fish tank for $49.90. Its half-moon shape is not just for looks, it provides a panoramic view of your fish. If you want something compact yet eye-catching, this is worth checking out. This aquarium kit includes everything you need, including an air pump, a filter, and a color-changing LED light that creates a bubbling curtain effect. That's perfect for attracting attention and creating a lively atmosphere at home. The filter ensures that your fish have a clean environment, which is essential for their health. With 600+ units sold recently, it's definitely catching the eye of many first-time fish owners. But I'll be real with you, some users reported that the bubbling disc can be a bit loud. This could be a deal breaker if you're looking for something ultra quiet. However, the visual appeal and functionality of the tank make it worth considering, especially if you're okay with some noise. This is great for you if you want a stylish tank that's easy to set up and maintain. Skip this if you need total silence in your home. For under $50, it's a fun starter option that won't break the bank. Now, if you're looking for something even more comprehensive, the next product on our list might really fit the bill.
Product number 4, Vahipa 2.4-gallon aquarium kit. Let's talk about another Vahipa 2.4-gallon aquarium kit, priced slightly lower at $54.14. Similar to the previous Vahipa model, but with a few unique tweaks. It caught my attention with its built-in aromatherapy spray extender. If you're looking for a tank that doubles as a mood enhancer, this might be just what you need. This kit includes a self-circulating 3-in-1 pump, ensuring efficient filtration, oxygenation, and a quiet operation.
The ultra high definition glass gives you a crystal clear view of your fish, and the built-in temperature display helps you maintain the ideal environment. Plus, the light changes colors, which can be really mesmerizing to watch. With around 500 sales in the last month, it's clearly making waves in the beginner's market. However, some users have noted that the water temperature sensor can be slightly off. Now here's the thing, as long as you monitor it and adjust as needed, it shouldn't be too big of a deal for most users. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, feature-rich aquarium that also enhances the atmosphere of your room. Skip this if you're looking for the most basic setup. For just over $54, it offers a great mix of aesthetics and functionality. All right, that was an interesting choice, but if you want something that truly caters to specific fish types, the next option could be exactly what you're searching for.
Product number 5, E1 Life 3.5-gallon betta fish tank. Last on our list is the E1 Life 3.5-gallon betta fish tank, priced at $69.98. This tank truly stands out with its all-in-one design, making it beginner-friendly. If you want an aquarium that comes with all the essentials and more, this is definitely worth your attention. This kit includes a multi-stage filtration system, an adjustable pump, a 25-watt heater, and even a digital thermometer. The built-in heater maintains a constant temperature of 78 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ideal for betta fish and other tropical species. The hidden storage design keeps everything tidy, making your fish tank look clean and organized. With over 400 units sold recently, it's clear that many are finding it a solid option for easy fish keeping. Some users mention that the heater could take a while to reach the desired temperature, but honestly, for the benefits you get with this setup, it's a small trade-off for peace of mind knowing your fish will thrive. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive kit that takes the guesswork out of fish keeping. Skip this if you're not interested in keeping betta or similar fish. At under $70, it's a great investment for beginner fish enthusiasts. So, to wrap it up, we've looked at the Otumber Aquascape Tools Kit for easy maintenance, the Vahipa 2.4-gallon fish tank for tech features, the Tetra 3-gallon small fish tank for style, another Vahipa 2.4-gallon aquarium kit for ambiance, and the E1 Life 3.5-gallon betta fish tank for a comprehensive setup. Each offers something unique for beginners, so pick the one that best fits your needs and happy fish keeping!